changes make it seem like it's been ages, and tomorrow some new building will scrape the sky. I love this country dearly, I can feel the ladder clearly, but I never thought I'd be alone to try. Once I was outside Penn Station